Welcome everyone to another episode of the journey through apostolic succession. Acts 6:6 says, "They had these men stand before the apostles, who prayed and laid their hands upon them." We see that the apostolic authority is transferred by the laying on of hands or ordination. This authority has transferred beyond the original 12 apostles as the church has grown. So today we hear about the 101st Pope in the apostolic succession, Pope Gregory IV. Here are some interesting facts about Pope Gregory IV. Gregory IV became Pope in 827 and ended when he died in 844. Sergius II became Pope on the same day that Gregory IV died. Pope Paschal I consecrated the young man as a priest and later became a cardinal priest. It was while working in this position that other cardinals chose him as the Pope despite his protestations. His papacy officially began in 828 when the Holy Roman Emperor Louis the Pious formally recognized the election. Here are some major contributions of Pope Gregory IV. His pontificate was notable for the papacy's attempts to intervene in the quarrels between Emperor Louis the Pious and his sons. During his later years, Gregory IV became concerned with some of the churches in Rome and launched efforts to restore those buildings. He rebuilt the atrium of St. Peter's Basilica, and within the newly decorated chapel within the basilica, he transferred the body of Saint Gregory, and from the catacombs of Rome, he moved Saint Sebastian, Saint Tiburtius, and Saint Gorgonius. Gregory himself promoted the celebration of the Feast of All Saints within the Frankish kingdom. Gregory's pontificate witnessed the end of iconoclasm controversy in the Byzantine Empire. On 25th January 844, Gregory IV died and was buried in St. Peter's Basilica. He was succeeded by Sergius II. So that's all for today. Thank you all for listening, and please stay tuned to our next episode. Please like, share, and spread the word to everyone around you for Christ and for the Church. God bless you all. Thank you.